If you want to extract audio from a video in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to pull audio from your video and turn it into a separate track on the timeline. This is super useful if you want to edit the sound independently, remove the audio, move it around, or use it for a different part of your project. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, make sure your video is already imported into CapCut PC and placed on the timeline. If it is not there yet, drag your video into the project and drop it onto the main track. Once the video is sitting on the timeline, you are ready for the next step. Now, locate the video clip you want to work with. This is the clip that has the audio you want to separate from the video itself. Next, right-click on the video clip in the timeline. When you right-click, a menu will pop up with different options. From that menu, look for the option that says Extract Audio. This is the feature that separates the sound from the video and creates a standalone audio track. Click Extract Audio once and CapCut will automatically process it for you. After you click it, you will see the audio appear as a separate track directly below the video clip on the timeline. That means the audio has now been successfully extracted. From here, you can edit it however you want. You can trim it, delete it, add effects, adjust volume, or even move it to another part of your project. The video and audio are now separated, so editing becomes much easier and more flexible. If you only want the audio and not the video, you can now mute or delete the original video track, depending on what your project needs, and if you want to keep both, you can leave them exactly as they are and continue editing. This simple method is one of the fastest ways to isolate audio inside CapCut PC without using any extra software. So just to recap, go to the video on your timeline, right-click it, select Extract Audio, and then the audio will show up as a separate track below the video. That's all there is to it. Super fast, super easy, and very useful for editing projects. If this helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.